Are you ready to elevate your rice game with the tropical flavors of coconut? If yes, then let's dive right in. Alright foodies, we're working with some flavor-packed ingredients today, starting with the star of the show, which is the rich and creamy coconut milk. Then, we've got our colorful cast of veggies to bring that perfect crunch, plus some parboiled rice that's ready to soak up all that goodness. And of course, a little heat from the scotch bonnet for that spicy kick. Also, we have our seasoning cubes, curry powder, thyme, onion, all-purpose seasoning, and some vegetable oil. First of all, heat up some vegetable oil or coconut oil over medium heat. Next, add the chopped onion and saute until it becomes soft and translucent. Stir occasionally to prevent burning. Next, pour in the parboiled rice and stir continuously to coat each grain with the oil. This helps prevent sticking and toasts the rice lightly. Fry the rice for some 3 to 5 minutes, stirring constantly to prevent it from burning. Once the rice are lightly toasted, add the coconut milk and water, or you can also add broth, and then stir in the seasoning cubes, ensuring they dissolve evenly. Also, add curry powder and some thyme, and stir this in order to distribute the spices. Finally, add salt to taste, but then keep in mind that seasoning cubes are also salty so that the food doesn't become salty. And then allow this to fully cook until the liquid is absorbed. Hey food lovers, if you've watched up to this point and you're enjoying this video, please remember to give this video a thumbs up, and if you're hearing my voice for the first time, please hit the notification bell so that you will always know whenever I post new videos, and also subscribe to the channel. Your support means a lot to me. Thank you. So now it is time to prepare the vegetables, and in order to do this, heat up some vegetable oil or coconut oil over medium heat. Next, add the chopped onions and saute until translucent. Going with the scotch bonnet pepper. Next, add the bell peppers and then the mixed vegetables. And then add some seasonings to the vegetables in order to make it tasty. Here are some fun facts about Nigerian coconut fried rice and its ingredients. 1. Coconuts are believed to have originated in the Indo-Malay region and were spread to tropical regions including Nigeria by early explorers and traders. Fried rice is a popular dish in many cultures around the world, but each region has its own unique twist. Nigerian coconut fried rice incorporates local flavors and ingredients, making it distinctively Nigerian. Rice is a staple food for over half the world's population. It's a great source of carbohydrates and provides energy. And so, combining it with coconut milk adds healthy fats and flavor. Once the vegetables are tender, add the cooked rice. Fried rice is often served during special occasions in Nigeria, such as weddings, making it a dish associated with celebration and joy. Mix well to combine. Allow the rice to fry for an additional 5 to 10 minutes, stirring occasionally to prevent burning and to let the flavors meld together. Coconut fried rice is incredibly versatile. You can customize it with various proteins like chicken, shrimp, or beef, and different vegetables based on your preferences or seasonal availability. And finally, add some spring onions. And there you have it. Coconut fried rice is more than just a meal. It's a tropical escape on a plate. With its creamy coconut essence, vibrant veggies, and perfectly spiced flavors, every bite is an explosion of taste and texture that will leave you craving more. Whether you're cooking for a celebration or a simple family dinner, this dish is guaranteed to turn heads and spark joy around the table. So go ahead, bring the taste of the tropics to your kitchen and let your taste buds dance with the flavors of coconut fried rice. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you enjoyed watching this one, definitely you will enjoy watching the video showing on your screen right now. And please remember to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel so that we will continue to serve you better. Your support means a whole lot. My name is Rosaline, and this is Daily Kitchen Makings. And until next time, happy cooking!